Una más.
Another one?
Una más. No, you go get it. This is a handheld.
He's crazy.
Jack, what are you doing?
Can we just talk about the butter knife, by the way?
What about the butter knife?
Oh, right.
It's a good knife. If you cut a tomato with it. Why is there hair on this?
Because there's dog hair here.
No, it's your hair. You cut yourself.
You
cut your bangs.
Those are they're hair cutting scissors. He's gonna use this though after a while. Trust me. Crashing your nose.
Cutting my nose.
On the feet, on the cat. Seriously.
Hang the scissors.
Or not.
I can cook. I can do things.
Here, give me
like that.
No. No. Good night.